And in this one we will be building our doc editor. For that, need to install a library. Open a terminal, cd client, npm install Reactjs. Okay, and now I will be importing this. So use quill I will be importing, and import quill slash gist slash quill.snow.css. Alright, npm I quill should do the trick for us. Okay, and here what I will do is const quill ref equals use quill. Alright, and use effect whenever this quill changes. What I exactly want to do here is on question mark dot on means only when it is initialized. So text change what we will do our operation. Alright, or let's better do one thing. Okay, anyway, I will do something later. Actually I will be getting the HTML. Okay, so get the HTML of the editor. Okay, how do you get it? I will show you later on, but at first let's see how we can actually build it. Here bg gray will be and 200, and now we'll be building the header, and here in this document I will be creating a component header.tsx. Okay, and in this header what we will be building I will show you. So let's copy this header from here. Certainly not this. Big I solid, great. And here I will be building one input. Alright, default value, let's say untitled.docx. Extra, it is unnecessary. Alright, so I will be opening this, and you see that we have it here, and like I will add one class name focus outline. Look at that. Alright, extremely sorry for that. So our document header is ready, Now what I will do is that I will be adding a section tag, class name, width will be full, bg will be white, max width will be 6xl, mx will be auto, h will be auto for sure, minimum height will be the height of the screen, margin top will be 10, and here div ref equals to quill ref. Now you see, look at that, just look at this, and this is exactly what we wanted. Alright, this border thing, we can always like rectify, but for now you see this. Okay, and now what I will be doing is that I will be adding one class. So in index.css, what I will do is I will do this to remove the border. I mean, you can do anything that you want, but I will be doing this only to remove the border. Alright, but this is just simple, addition of a text editor. I want to do a lot more things. Okay, my game folder exposed. Anyway, so you see that you have all these options and all, but there is one thing I wanted to do. I wanted to build a menu bar actually. So let's start building a menu bar. Okay, I'll create some component menu bar.tsx rasce, and this will also contain some methods. Okay, so what I will be doing is that in this menu bar I'll have a quill will be quill or undefined. Okay, like this. So guys, here without wasting too much time of you guys, what I want to do is that I just want to like import all these necessary icons. I will show you why. I will be like adding these, adding some static data. So you see this, and I will be adding some menu events. Alright, so menu events, it will be record string to a function that to returns void. Here what I will do is like I will be adding few options. Okay, don't worry. So I will be adding like these options, and then I will also add the cut option, cut, copy and paste. Okay, these we will be implementing our like custom method. Here you already see quill.format, it is already done. So these are the inbuilt methods, but how about implementing cut, copy and paste? That I will be showing you. Okay, And now in order to render that I will first do, I will create a state const dropdown set dropdown equals to use state, and it will be null, it can be string, it can be null like this. Okay, and const toggle dropdown. So here, not event actually, I will be getting menu, here string event.prevent default. I think I'm not even getting events. So yeah, drop down, if triple equals to menu, then null, else it will have menu. Alright, I mean if something is already selected, then we deselect. Now comes the rendering part. So for rendering, I will simply copy and paste the HTML, which you will definitely get from the GitHub. Okay, this is it, and I will be going here. Never mind, I did not import that. Menu bar, and quill. Look at that. This is our menu bar, and see, it has all these icons. Looks quite stunning. This looks really stunning, guys. I mean, I know that this is impressive. Nothing happens currently as of now. We click. I mean, undo redo functionality might still be there. You see, undo redo is there, but now you will learn how to do the custom implementation of cut, copy, and paste. Alright. So let's start implementing the cut, copy, and paste. First, I will implement the cut functionality. First, I will get the selection. So quill dot get selection, pass true as parameter because we need to focus, and if selection dot length, then what we will do is that we'll get the selected text equals to quill dot get semantic HTML selection dot index selection dot length. Alright, we will be getting the selected text basically, and if selected text, then what we will do is navigator dot clipboard dot write text. This terminal is annoying. I'm sorry, guys. Write text, selected text dot then quill dot delete text, since we are cutting it. So selection dot index, selection dot length, and if there is any error, alright, like this, and set drop down to null. Okay, and what I will be doing is I will write something, let's say, large. Okay, the basic cutting should happen at least. Edit and it should cut. Ah, look at that. Will it be able to paste? Yeah, it is pasting the HTML if we paste like this. Okay, but anyway, when we will be pasting through, like first we'll paste as print text, it will happen like this. We paste as that also, it will be printing HTML. But if we paste from here, it will paste the original HTML. Alright, that is what we are going to implement now. So let's implement the paste functionality, and here this will be the async function. Const, or better try catch blocks error, and here const text await navigator dot clipboard dot read text. Alright, now if the text is there, what we will do is that again we are getting the selection. On selection, I will be copying and pasting this here. Alright, and if there is selection, then what I will do is quill dot clipboard dot dangerously paste HTML selection dot index text. At that given point we need to insert. Alright, and again setting the drop down to no. So if I allow, okay, so it is pasting this and I'm not sure if this will be able to check the headings, but anyway, yeah, it is able to. So our cut and paste is working, guys. Congratulations. And then what I will do is that I will implement the copy functionality. Okay, so copy is nothing, just that I will copy this, I will paste it here, and I will just not remove this. I will simply not remove, I will simply not use this basically. So let's go here, and I go to and I click on copy, and then I paste and paste and paste again. Great. So all this undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, all these edit functionalities are really working fine, and even this full screen is working fine. Congratulations, guys, you are now able to do the custom implementation of this cut, copy and paste in your doc editor. Alright, this is really lit. I mean, you have this name as well, and now you have this as well. Now you go back and you come here, so we are not really persisting anything. Okay, and so what should we do now? We have finished building our document page. There's nothing much we have to do here now, so let's do something else. let's add the content persistence basically. So after adding the persistence, we will be able to see different content for different documents.